In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace the battery on a Liberty Safe's SecuRAM top-lit electronic lock. Most of Liberty's entry-level safes have this type of lock, including the Pro Vault line. To access the battery compartment, simply grab the outside ring and rotate it counterclockwise, then pull it directly towards you. In doing so, this will reveal the battery compartment. There's going to be two little holes, one on each side of the lock. You can push your finger through the left side and the battery should begin to pop out on the right side. And here we see the 9-volt battery is now out, and we can simply detach the old battery and attach a new one. With the new battery connected, now you're going to reinsert it just like you took it out. Simply push it back into the right side and make sure to tuck in those wires so they won't get caught on the ring. Then, taking that plastic ring, you want to line up the grooves with the grooves that are on the lock itself, push it in, and then rotate it clockwise until it stops. And that's how you replace the battery for your Liberty Safe's lock. Thanks for watching.